Hi, I'm Michael Beveridge from Smith Partners Real Estate. Pamela Barrington and I are excited to offer you number 6 Regal Court here in Para Hills. Located in the Dress Circle estate, amongst other quality homes, this expansive executive family home will impress the most astute of buyers. Please come inside and have a look. So, other words for regal: splendid, majestic, magnificent. I'm sure you'll agree this is all that and more. Come and be the new king and queen of number 6 Regal Court in Para Hills.